I just want to help people. I was talking with one of my guys, and I can't even tell you the trade that I put in and how much it was overnight, like what the account started at and then what it finished at. And I was talking to him and I was telling him, like, this is mind-blowing. Like, do you know what we could do if we teach people this? Do you know how our communities could be changed? Do you know President Trump would never be able to say living in Detroit is like living in hell? Never. Hey guys, this is Casey. I think I'm recording. I am headed on my way out. It's the 4th of July weekend, and I don't have a grill. And order online for my favorite Jamaican restaurant in the city, and yeah, I wasn't able to, which was really weird. So I'm just gonna grab my mask and my keys, and then we out. Bye, Mel. See you later. Yeah. So I hope you guys are having a good day. So I'm just gonna go on a drive. I'm gonna get my food. So I was talking quiet because the walls are very thin and you can hear everything, like literally everything. So you can only imagine some of the things you heard. So I just talk quiet. So I'm headed out. It's a beautiful day today. Unfortunately, I don't have any sunglasses, only regular glasses, but I'm about to go to Best Buy, pick up a couple things, and then go to the city, and then also to get some good Jamaican food. So here we go. It's a whole 1,000 degrees out here, and I have on jeans. I'm burning up. I do have on a short sleeve shirt, obviously, but I wish I owned a pair of shorts at this moment. All good though. I do not have a grill, and so I decided to treat myself to the best Jamaican food in Detroit, and I'm headed there right now. And I'm hoping that they're open. When I tell you this food is good, it's good. So other than that though, today I am just gonna take you guys with me on my errands. And I wanted to talk about today why I trade Forex. And so the obvious reason, I can make a lot of money. But there's a driver behind that as well. So I've always been interested in the neighborhoods in the city of Detroit. And right after college, I got my real estate license. Because at the time, like, the job market was not that great. I was definitely interested in real estate. And it seemed like an opportunity. Like, I couldn't get a regular job. So I'm like, okay, maybe this is God telling me to go ahead and just, you know, do my thing. So I took like the week-long cram course, and then I took the test and I passed, and I started selling houses in the city. And it was great. I was working with investors from all over the world, and then some of the investors I was working with wasn't like, they weren't fixing up the houses. Like, if you know anything about Detroit real estate, about 10 years ago, 11 years ago, houses were super duper cheap. Like, you can get a house for a decent house that only needed like paint and carpet for like $6 grand, right? 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, basement and garage, brick house. And you sell them to these investors hoping that they do the right thing, that they bring the house up to, you know, par, make the repairs that are necessary and get somebody into it, right? But a lot of times I saw that some of these investors were actually not doing that. They were making the bare minimum repairs and putting people into the houses and renting them. And over time, what that does to the neighborhood is it decreases the property value, because you know, if the neighbor sees that the house is not being taken care of and it's not just one house, now it's 2 houses, 3 houses, like why would they invest any more money into their property if the other properties around it aren't being taken care of? So that's when I really got interested in revitalization of neighborhoods. Went back to school, college, to get my master's, and I got my master's in urban planning and community development, which now I know everything happens in order the way it's supposed to. And so what I want to do with Forex is use it to be my financial vehicle to really make an impact in some of the neighborhoods in the city. So I'm not talking like buying 1 or 2 houses. I'm talking about buying up the whole block, right? And fixing up the houses from there. And so ultimately, what's really going to make the change though, like, yeah, I could be a landlord, but what I want to see is our people owning property. That's why I trade. That's why this is so important to me. So I'm trying to be cute and safe. That ain't working too well. Got the lip gloss all on the mask and everything.
Yummy.
Oh, that was so good. Jesus. Forex is an awesome vehicle, man. It can get frustrating at times and you can feel like you want to give up, that you're over it. There have been times when, you know, I'll go for 3-4 months, I'll be studying, and then mess up in my account and be over it. Like, man, this is too hard. I can't do this. This is too much. But then I think about it. Like, where else am I going to have the opportunity to have this type of exponential growth on my money legally? I don't know. I don't know. So my thought process has always been like, if I stick with this, I will get it. If I put in the time, I will get it. If I put in the effort, I will get it. Like, there is no quit. You can't quit. It's too far invested at this point. But it's just like the time that I've spent, right? Like, I understand what it could be. And I've seen it for myself. I've done it. I've withdrawn thousands out of my account. You know, so I know what it can be. That's why I stay with it. I'm grateful that one, the opportunity that I was exposed to it, because growing up I didn't know nothing about Forex. That's why when I see these little kids on YouTube got a whole channel teaching people how to trade Forex, like, you're 2 you're 2 years old. But no, one, that I was exposed to it. No matter when, what age, I was exposed. So I'm grateful for that. And then 2, I am grateful that I was open to hear and receive what it was that I saw. Because it don't matter if you presented the best thing on earth. If you're not in a place to get it and understand, it does you no good. So I'm grateful for those 2 things. I was supposed to get gas. I need to get gas. I'm grateful for those 2 things. I'm excited to tell the world. The world, I guess. I'm on YouTube, right? I'm excited to tell the world about the potential of what this skill set can do for them, for their families, for their communities. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. And all the more reason during this whole pandemic thing. Like, I wasn't affected as far as my job. Well, yes, I was. A little bit. This whole pandemic has shown me that you can't depend on nobody but you. I don't care if you've been at a job for 30 years. At the end of the day, that could be taken away from you. So what do? Job going tomorrow. What do? Look for another job? Go work somewhere for like what, $12 an hour? No. Now I know better, I do better, right? So I'm grateful for it. Grateful. If anything like this ever happens again, Casey is prepared. So I gotta get gas because I only got, what is that, 89 miles till empty. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you guys have a better understanding as to why I do what I do, my commitment to it, and what I hope to come from it. And if this video resonated with you in any way, tell me below why you want to trade Forex. Why is learning Forex important to you? What beyond the money would it potentially mean for you? Let me know. Also, if you like this video, I hate asking for people to give a thumbs up to my video, but the channel is new, and so I need to know that you guys are into the content that I'm sharing and that you're liking it, it's making sense for you. And the only way I can tell that is by the likes and the comments. I'm grateful for the subscriptions, but I need you guys to talk to me. Tell me what's up. Talk. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a safe holiday, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Have an amazing day.